Let me know what y'all doing. You know, it's a rainy day. I gotta work later on. I don't want to. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm glad that I have a job though. But you know how you worked a job for so long, and you basically can do it not even paying attention. Your body, you clock in and your body go in neutral. You know what I mean? Or you can put your brain in neutral and your body is just on autopilot. Making sandwiches. Nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. It done got me through all these years. But you know, you just want something different, man. A new beginning. Beginning anew. Switch up, gang.